Hello everyone, welcome to Wisdom Waves. Today I am talking about best car insurance plan in USA. In the US, having and using car insurance is essential for vehicles ownership. In the event that their vehicles are involved in collision, damage, theft, or other unanticipated incident, it offers drivers financial protection. State-specific car insurance rules and regulations differ. But there are some elements and factors that are always relevant. In some states, having auto insurance is not legally required, although it is strongly advised. Although it is not essential to get auto insurance in New Hampshire, you must be able to demonstrate your financial stability in the event of an accident. Types of car insurance. The most fundamental type of auto insurance that is required in almost all states is liability insurance. It addresses the other party's culpability for physical harm and property damage in the event that you are found to be at fault for an accident. Know of who was at fault. Collision coverage will pay for the cost of repairing any damage your car sustains in an accident. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance protects against damage to your car resulting from events other than collision, such as theft, vandalism, natural catastrophes, or collision with animals. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage aids in defending you in the event that you are involved in a collision with a driver who is either uninsured or underinsured. Medical payments coverage or personal injury protection. These protections aid is covering medical costs. Here are a few elements that may have an impact on your auto insurance rates. Your age. Rates for younger drivers are usually higher than for older drivers. Your driving history. Drivers with a spotless record often pay less for insurance than those with tickets or accidents. Your credit rating. Your credit rating is generally speaking, drivers with strong credit scores pay less than those with poor credit. Your vehicles of choice. Depending on the kind of vehicle you drive, insurance costs change. Sports cars and luxury cars are typically more expensive to insure than economy cars. Your location. The cost of insurance can vary depending on where you live. Drivers in urban areas are typically charged higher rates than drivers in rural areas. To discover the best deal for you, it's critical to compare quotes from many providers if you are shopping for auto insurance. Additionally, you should think about the various coverage options and pick the one that best suits your requirements. When searching for auto insurance, keep the following extra consideration in mind. Before you sign the policy, give it a thorough reading. Make sure you comprehend the limitations and coverages. Request discounts for items like good driving records, anti-theft gadgets, and several vehicles may business provide discounts. You should budget for a deductibles before the insurance company will begin covering the cost of repairs. You will be required to pay this sum out of pocket. Maintain your policy. In the event of car accident, damage, theft, or other occurrence, it offers crucial protection. Making informed selections regarding auto insurance requires knowledge of the different types of coverage. Variables influence premiums and local laws. Your age, driving history, credit score, and the type of vehicles you drive are some of the variables that affect the price of car insurance. To compare price, you can request auto insurance quotes from various providers. There are several methods to reduce the cost of your auto insurance, including bundling it with your home owner's or renter's insurance, enrolling in a defensive driving course, and maintaining a clean driving record.